So however it is, I have to remove it.
Yeah, so we will do it, okay? And Mr. Ghosh here will take a, I'm putting a mark here so that this is the correct side we are operating on, isn't it?
Okay.
Good, you're not allergic to anything, are you?
No, it's...
No, that's fine, this is visible.
I've got a metal pole from my shoulder up here that comes right down to my elbow, everybody, yeah? And that's why that scar there is at the back of my arm, people, yeah? And then...
Why putting an aspirin?
No. Alright, everybody, so I'll show you guys everything else, so I might as well show you this. You're wondering what Ringo Vision is doing in this. Yes, people, so I'm in a hospital. So yeah, man, so I had to come into the hospital because an incident which occurred a couple years ago, and I've been waiting for this appointment for about 3 years now. You understand? So randomly this week I received a phone call to say we've got an appointment for you this week on the 25th of January. I was excited to take the appointment, but now I'm here. We're gonna go through the process. They're gonna be doing a light operation, so I won't be able to show you guys what's gonna be happening, but I'm giving you guys an update. I'm here now. So this is how I feel right now. I feel a good vibes, you understand? I feel a good vibes right now. It's something that's on my arm. I wasn't feeling pain from it, but it came up randomly. So I went to the doctors and I checked it out, you understand? And they assessed it and whatnot, done some checks and whatnot. Previously, before, a few years ago, I had a major injury on my left arm, and the lump came up on the left arm. So today, let me show you what it is actually. So it was this lump that was here, and I had a major injury on this arm here. As you can see, everybody here, you ain't seen this, so this is just a little bit of behind the scenes with Ringo Vision. So there's a long scar here on my arm, long scar. So my arm was broken in half. This left arm here was broken in half. So this arm here, even though you guys see me out with the shopping trolley and whatnot, I do feel pain from time to time, especially when it gets really cold, you understand? I've got a metal pole from my shoulder up here that comes right down to my elbow, everybody, yeah? And that's why that scar there is at the back of my arm, people, yeah? And then suddenly this lump came up. It wasn't anything to do with any major awareness of anything. It was just like this. They classified it as a simple cyst or some tissue. They classified it as tissue growing underneath the skin. So if you feel it there, so what they're gonna do, they're gonna remove that tissue there that has just grown there underneath the skin. I thought it was actually related to something that had happened with my arm being broken. They said it's not related. So anyway, let's wait for them to come in. They've asked me to put on this gown, so I put on this gown. So I'm here in the hospital, people, yeah? Alright, I'm at King's College Hospital. If anything happened to Ringo Vision, we did there, so at King's College Hospital, we did there, people, yeah? Alright, and remember me telling them, me they feel good. I'm feeling like good vibes, but we're gonna do this light operation. They brought some things here for me to put on. You understand? I've got my gown on. Bag to put my things in, so I'm gonna put my things in the bag, people, yeah? Alright, good vibes. Next time I see you guys, I would have come out of this light operation. Yes, Ringo Vision is in a hospital, people, yeah? Do not worry too much, everything alright, said way. But I'm gonna go into a light, it's a day surgery, a light operation, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel when I come out. So I'm not in yet. I'm all prepared, I'm all ready and whatnot. You understand? Our good vibes. That is it. I see you guys again instantly when I come up, people, yeah? Alright, and I let you guys know the outcome and how I felt through the operation and how it went. and you understand the procedures. I don't know what procedures they're going to take right now, but when we come back, I'll let you know exactly what happened. You understand, people? Yeah, big up yourself. Good vibes. We're there.
Do you take any warfarin or aspirin?
No.
No. Are you going home by yourself?
Yeah. Is there anesthetic that I'll be taking?
They just put a local. They're gonna put a local injection in the arm. That's it.
Just to make it numb?
Yeah.
So I'll be awake while it's happening?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is someone will be at home to look after you?
Yeah, is it something major afterwards?
Maybe a pain in your arm.
Okay.
You need something to help you.
Okay. So would my left arm be inactive?
No, it's a bit numb.
Okay.
Numb for today, but tomorrow you'll be fine.
So I'll be able to use it as normal?
You can use it tomorrow, but not today.
Okay.
Because they're gonna put a numbing injection there, and you're gonna be weak.
On the left arm?
Yeah.
Okay, no
So
problem.
that's why you need someone to help you.
Okay.
To do your food or something, preparation or something.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a little bit numb and heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah, because of the injection.
Okay.
Yeah. But tomorrow you'll be fine.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Any dog or cats at home?
No.
No. Yeah. Anyway, the doctor will come and explain to you what they're gonna do.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Just wait for them, okay?
Alright.
I'm not gonna put this one in your.
So the nurse just came to take some details and stuff like that. So basically my left arm is going to be inactive, people, yeah, for 24 hours, so no cooking. It'll be back to normal tomorrow, they say, people, yeah, so good vibes. That is it. So let's just wait. She's coming back and we'll give you the update as it goes along, people, yeah, that is it.
So how it is? I have to remove it.
Yeah, so we will do it, okay? And Mr. Ghosh here will take I'm putting a mark here so that this is the correct side we are operating on, isn't it?
Okay.
Good, you're not allergic to anything, are you?
No, it's...
No, that's fine, this is visible.
Okay. So this is the can you
I'll
please
leave it.
yeah, here so there
Okay.
benefits, risks, and the alternative treatments, all of the there here. This is the benefits.
So what are
This is
the...
the procedure, this is the excision of the cyst, and the benefits is the removal and confirmation of the nature of the lesion, and the risk maybe all this, and then the bleeding, the hematoma, there may be the wound infection, there may be the keloid, and there may be recurrence. Okay.
Okay.
These are the. Are you happy with it? Proceed. Do we proceed?
Okay, so how does it affect me? Me signing?
This may be this is the before any operation you have to take all these things after confirming that you are known to that this may be the procedures, this is the risk, this may be benefits.
Okay.
So the risk is that there may be bleeding, there may be the wound infection, all the operation, that may be the recurrence,
Yeah.
it may happen again, and there may be keloid, there may be the on the cut there is skin, over the skin there may be the rough red area, there may be the keloid,
Okay.
there may be the hematoma. Is that okay?
Okay.
So these are the risks and benefits. If you accept it, then I will proceed.
Okay. And if I don't accept it? If I don't accept, you
Then
can't...
the operation will be postponed. If you don't expect it, that I don't accept all these things, then we have to we can't proceed the operation.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay. So this is my sign here. This is my sign, and this is your signature. No. Why this doesn't work?
Right, so the doctors them just come back and whatnot, done an assessment, put an arrow on my arm. So yeah, man, so we're gonna go through with the operation, people, yeah. yeah, man, so I see you guys again in a little while when we come back out of the operation, people, yeah, just going through the stages. I've been here waiting from, my appointment was at 12:30 today, and now the timing right now is 2:38, so you see that I've been in here for a good 2 hours just sitting down waiting for the appointment, people, yeah. Well, it's shorter than waiting 2 years, because I've been waiting 2 years for this appointment, people, yeah. Alright, big up yourself, our good vibes. Good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody. So we just had the operation. It was very successful. I'm not feeling any pains.
Can you just relax a minute because your blood pressure is fine?
Okay.
Just relax a minute. Just sit you up, okay?
Sit up.
Yeah, just sit you up, don't worry.
Okay.
But don't move, just keep still. Because you're moving, your blood pressure shoot up.
Okay. So basically what I'm doing right now, they're doing a blood pressure check. They said that it's quite high right now, so just have to wait for them to come back to me. All right, but I'll be keeping you guys up to date, people, yeah. The phone's ringing. Here in the hospital, I can move my arm, not feeling any pain. It's got the injection and whatnot that they put in it to make it numb, so I can't feel anything. I can just feel a little bit of heaviness. I can move it still, but it's okay so far. So let's just wait for the last results from the doctor, because she's doing some last little checks for me to come out of the hospital, people, yeah? All right then, good vibes. Okay.
So, and we're gonna see you in 3 weeks' time.
I'll come back in 3 weeks?
Yeah, they will let you know the date and the time to come back in the clinic.
Okay, no problem.
Okay?
Okay.
So this is your...
Yes, everybody, so I've been discharged from the hospital now. So I've Tuna come pick me up. That is it, a good vibe. So yeah, man, like I said, when I was going in, I felt good vibes. When I come out, I feel good vibes, because we knock them out like Muhammad Ali, you understand, people, yeah? And we keep the pop running, and Tyson too. Tyson get boxed up at the I mean, I understand what I'm doing still. You understand? But are good vibes. But guess what, everybody, yeah? Your health is most definitely the most important thing that you should be concerned about, especially in a time like this, people, yeah? All right, I went into the hospital. I come out, I'm feeling good. But guess what? I was waiting for that appointment from 2023. You understand, people, yeah? And now that it's completed, back on the mission again. Don't have to think about that issue anymore. So yeah, man, good vibes as usual, people, yeah? Big up yourself, one love to each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And what's gonna happen next? We're gonna be traveling to our next place in and around the country, you understand? And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos them on the channel and enjoying the journey. I know that we've got a lot of new people that's come through on the channel as well. Thank you very much for all of you new subscribers that's come through from certain parts of around the world. You guys are absolutely amazing. Hopefully we can link up and meet up one day soon when I come to your countries. Understand, people, yeah? And for you guys that are in the UK, you need to buckle yourself up and come and link me, you understand? And come outside on the mission with Ringo Vision as and when you can, you understand? Go and drink a cup of soup as well. That is it, a good vibe. Big up yourself. We're coming out of the hospital.